Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about my favorite desk from my favorite store, Costco. It's great because it goes up and down and you can even charge your cell phone. Let me tell you the story about how I got this awesome desk. My parents were visiting and they walk into the room and see my son doing his homework on a wooden box. As most Asian parents would do, they flip out. They tell me I have to buy a real desk for my kids. I look online and I find this super cute one from a furniture store. It's blue, very chic, just the right size for small humans. I open up the box, but it smells horrible. So I try airing it out for about 2 weeks. And at the end of the 2 weeks, it still smells horrible. The smell gives me headaches, it makes me want to vomit, so I send it back. Now I'm looking for another desk, one that's not made of wood, doesn't stink, and preferably does not give me headaches. So I go to my favorite store, Costco, where you can buy a 36-pack of toilet paper, a 7-pound bucket of Nutella, and even my wife's wedding ring. I love this desk because it does not smell. It's made of metal and glass. My mom always said that a good desk is worth its weight in gold. She tells me the story of growing up in Taiwan. My mom's dad was a farmer. He just graduated from elementary school, but he understood the importance of having a good desk and was willing to spend money on it. He knew that a good desk was important for a kid to be able to concentrate, sit down, and think deeply. So he splurges and he buys my mom a really nice desk. On the other hand, she has a friend in her class. Their family has a lot more money, but her dad doesn't understand the importance of having a desk. So she uses a wooden box. Now fast forward a few years. My mom has graduated and she is going to the best university in Taiwan. But her friend who had no desk and was using a wooden box ends up going and selling chickens at the local market. My mom attributes a lot of her success to that desk. So if you want your kids to go to Harvard or Cambridge, then go buy this desk.